the young people here, if you ever feel alone, just look around today. Take a look around. This is the power of community. This is the power of our people when we come together. So let us rise. If you need to know what unity looks like, this is it. If you want to know what resiliency is, look inside Tibet. The Chinese government has been releasing the portraits of His Holiness the Dalai Lama after decades of being illegal to look up His Holiness's name online. And now, to spread this propaganda, they decided to spread memes and very disturbing photos of His Holiness that are edited. But guess what? Tibetans inside of Tibet are in joy. They're praying, they're happy that they can see their leader for the first time freely on the internet. This is the power of His Holiness.